Hello again. I'm here with another tutorial for those of you that have kits for this upcoming Halloween card class. I have some instructions that I think you're going to need to have before you can put this together. Usually I do all the mechanisms for you, but this time because you have to color, I can't put the foam on the back of these pieces because it's going to be bumpy and you won't be able to lay it flat to color. So I'm going to show you how to assemble. You're going to have pieces like this. My pieces aren't colored. I just did it so that I could show you real quick. But this is the piece that you're going to have. I've already put your foam on your little slider. Whoop. This piece is the front because that's where the little arrow is. This piece is the back. That's just a little stopper. You're not going to want to remove the backer on any of this on the back side, and I'll show you why. Okay, let's start off with this piece here. There is a little hole right here, and there's a little hole right here. You're going to want to line up your little holes, but you also want to make it where this is level across the top. Okay, so let's put a little glue on there to hold it. This is just real quick for me. You guys can do a little more when you're ready. Line up your little holes at the bottom, which is really hard for me to see on the camera. You want it to be straight across the top. So you want him to be straight on there. I know he looks like he's crooked, but you want the coffin top and the bottom to be straight. Then you're going to take this little piece and you're going to put it through the hole. I've already assembled this little brad for you. It'll be in your kit, so try not to lose it. You're going to need it. Just leave it just like that. Then you're going to line up your coffin, top and bottom. Make sure he's in there and covers it up as best as you can, like that, so you can kind of see how it's going to go. Then you can take this part off. Line up your coffin again, top and bottom, and just press it onto that little brad. Okay, that's going to create your little slider. Here's the back side. Now split this like that. So there's your little mechanism started. Okay, now you have to put this piece through the back, this little hole right here, like that. Take off the foam tape on the top side only. Close this. You don't want it to hang over the side right here. You don't want it to hang past the coffin, so you want to line it up. And I already have a stopper on the back, so it will stop. And then just line up your coffin and push it. And that gives you your slider. Okay? So on the back side, I added some extra pieces of foam. Like I said, I can probably put this one on here, but I'm not going to in case you don't have the foam tape. You can use your pop dots. So, but you're going to need a little stopping edge right here. Don't take your foam off of the slider stopper. If you do, you'll need to cover that so that it doesn't stick to your back side of your paper, because you want this to be free moving like that. Add some extra foam here and here, and that's really it. Like I said, usually I would have this already assembled for you, but I won't be able to do that. I did, however, add an extra piece. Oh, now it's going to be hard to see it, but on this edge right here, I added an extra piece of foam on my card. See it right there on the edge? It's a little piece of foam same foam tape, but I covered it with a little piece of paper so that it's not sticky on this side. But it gives it a little more support underneath there, but it doesn't prevent it from still sliding, because you don't want it to be sticky on there, because otherwise it'll stick to this piece right here. Okay, and does that make sense? And then, of course, because I added the you know, if you use Pop Dots or foam tape on the back, this part will be raised up just a little bit. All right, so that's how to and how to assemble. You guys can always email me, message me, whatever's easiest, text me, whatever you want to do if you have questions as you're going. But I hope this helps. I'll post this on YouTube, and I'll also post it on my Facebook page. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you soon.